How to make catering website on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create your own website on squarespace.com. It might sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. First of all, you need to create an account or log into your account on squarespace.com. As you can see, I already did it and I'm in my account. So next, you just need to click this button, get started, and choose what type of website you want to create. So we need catering website, just type catering and choose catering. Next, what do you want to do with your website? So here you need to choose purposes of your website. Maybe you want to sell services, sell products, send invoices, whatever you want to do, choose it, feel free. And basically for catering website, I think we need to sell services. How would you like to start building your website? So here guys, you have two options. You can build it with AI or you can browse templates. I'm not a big fan of AI. I really like to choose from a curated set of professionally designed website templates. That's why I'll pick this one. And now guys, all you have to do is choose the template that you think is the best for you, for your business. If you don't like any of those, don't worry. Anytime you can customize it, you can rework it, and you can do the exact website you want. So just for an example, I'm gonna choose this one and start with this design. While it's loading guys, by the way, squarespace.com is the best option to create your websites because you don't need to know any of programming languages. You just need to use website to create your own websites. That's why I highly recommend you to try squarespace.com. And now we need to create site name. Just for an example, I'm gonna name it catering and continue. Some tips, we don't need them. Now you can work with your website. You can manage some stuff about your website in this menu. For example, you can manage products and services, invoicing, content and memberships, donations, scheduling, whatever. Uh, you can manage pages here. You can change the order. You can add new page. You can delete some of them. You can delete our story page easily. You can change styles here. You can change themes, ready-made professionally themes, or you can make your theme by choosing font, changing colors. You can change any color of any element to basically any color you want, very easy. But now let's start edit this website. I will show you basics how to edit everything. This is very easy, and the entire interface of the site, as you can see, it's very clear to any user. So basically you can move any element, you can move this text, you can move this image, but this is not image, this is background. This is image, you can move it, you can change the size, you can change the size of text, you can delete any element. For example, this text, just click remove. For example, this image, just delete. Or you can delete the whole section like this. Boom, no section. Or you can add a new section, click add section, and you can add any section you want. Or you can make your own section, click add a blank section, and now you can put any content right here. Just click this button, add block. You can add the text, and you can write whatever you want here. Or you can add the image, and you can upload image from your computer, or you can even browse stock images. You can use free images by squarespace.com. For example, food, I don't know, add image. And very easy, you'll get the image you want. You can change the size of section also. You can, I don't know, add a button. You can work with text, you can delete this text and write whatever you want. You can change the headings, and you can change some stuff about text. You can, for example, let me type something, for example, welcome. You can scale it, you can change color, you can cross it, or you can change the style. As you see, it's kind of changing. And background, yes, you can change this background. Click edit section, background, and you can replace it. You can just delete it. You can change colors of background. You see, very easy. And don't forget to save changes as frequently as possible, just to not lose your content, progress. And when you are done editing your website, you maybe need to publish your website. So to be able to publish your website so anyone can see it in the global internet, you need to upgrade your account, click subscribe, and you need to select a plan. Simple plans, simple prices, only pay for what you really need. All plans come with award-winning 24/7 customer support. If you want to sell something on your website, I really recommend you to use basic or advanced. If you don't need to sell something, you can use business plan, most popular, only $23 per month. And when you're done, you will be able to publish your website. Instead of this button, you will have publish button, also blue. So I think that in this video I showed you enough of the basics of using this website. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching, guys. See you soon. Goodbye.